What's up, everybody? I'm here talking about this awesome new mic I've got, if you can't tell. It's freaking boom mic! Condenser mic, USB condenser mic at that. So, this is one of those products that I got that I figured would be great for a beginning streamer. I have sort of compared this to my Blue Yeti Snowball. I'll tell you, I like this so much better. It's got adjustment knobs on the front of it for volume and echo. It comes with everything you see. The clamp, the boom, the pop filter, the condenser mic, USB cable for it, everything. So for a good little streaming mic, this is the perfect start. And not only that, but when I ordered this off Amazon, I got a personalized letter sent to me the next day after receiving it. Well, not next day, but soon after. It's from the people that sell this mic on Amazon, thanking me for, purchasing from a small business, technically, and the fact that it comes with a 365-day warranty. So, to put it bluntly, they personalized a letter to me, but want a 5-star review of the mic. I'm going to give them a 5-star review. This is an excellent mic for the price and everything you get with it. So therefore, I'm giving them the 5-star review, and I'm giving them a review on YouTube. So, Three Ducks Direct, there you go. I don't normally go through and do this. I'm not sponsored to say this or anything, but for me, if you're starting making videos, starting Twitch, anything like this, this is a great mic for the value for getting you started. There will be a link down below in the description for Amazon on where you can purchase this wonderful mic. I highly advise it. Go through, check it out, and hopefully here soon we will have a video testing this mic versus the Yeti Snowball. And I like this one better. I can get really quiet and you can still hear me. Wouldn't be able to do that with a Yeti Snowball. So I know I've been promising a video at least once a week. Life's been happening, second job. I still keep income coming in so I can produce these videos. So keep an eye out. There will be a new podcast starting on Sundays with me and my buddy from across the pond, Dave. So you can keep an eye out from that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down there. And don't forget to check out these other videos right here. Cool stuff to check out. More to come. I promise. They're coming. Till next time.